welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. As you can see, this is my kind of spring Easter decorate with me. I'm gonna be honest, I don't usually normally decorate for seasons, and I don't normally decorate like anything different for spring or Easter, but if you watched my channel last year, you know I was quite poorly when I was pregnant with my daughter, and I just really want to make the most of it this year. And also because my eldest is 2.5, I feel like it's nice for her to kind of like learn the seasons and stuff and change up the decor in the house. And to be honest, I went to the charity shop this morning. Should not have done that, but they had so many nice things in that I actually made quite a few purchases. I will leave the link in the description or somewhere at the end of the video if you'd like to go and see the charity haul. To be fair, I don't actually know if it'll go up before or after this video, but you'll see like a lot of what I've got in there in this video. They had so many nice stuff, and to be honest, I'm filming this on a day where it feels very spring-like. The sky is blue, the sun is beaming in, and it just feels so lovely. I think it must be about 17 degrees. I went for a walk down to the shops and I had a coat on and I was wearing black, and it was far too warm, and I was just getting all like hot and bothered as I was trying to like get stuff into the bottom of my pram. But anyway, yeah, like I said, I don't normally do it. I'm not going absolutely crazy. It's probably just going to be downstairs that I have a few bits, and I've got a few other bits to show you as well, kind of like homeware stuff. So I really hope you like this video, and let's get into it. Yeah, so this is the stuff that I've got for spring this year. It is kind of all new because, like I said, I don't normally decorate for spring, so I thought we'd go a little bit out, not too full out though. So the first things I'll show you are these. You would have seen these in a Primark haul, so these were £3.50. I do plan on putting these in my daughter's room, hence I've got these pink stems to go in. They are from Jisk. I just thought they would look really lovely together. Now I wasn't sure whether I was going to put these in a vase. In fact, I couldn't find a really nice vase, so I ended up washing out one of these candles. So I washed this candle out this morning, and I thought I was going to put those in there because I actually thought, oh, that's actually a really nice shape. Couldn't get the label off, so I thought, oh, maybe I'll just throw that at the back and then put them in there, and that would look really nice. But then when I was in the charity shop earlier, I found this white jug. I'm loving jugs and just that kind of like more round shape, and I just feel like this is a little bit of a classic. So I thought actually, and it might even save me cutting those stems if I pop those in there. And yeah, the plan is for that to go sort of like in the office / my daughter's room. So I've got a desk in there at the moment because I did work from home. I picked up these little eggs. So these were from Home Bargains. I really love the colour of them all. They were 99p, and my plan is to tie them to my eucalyptus wreath that I have on the door as you come into the living room. So you'll see it if you're in the living room, sort of like going out into the porchway. And yeah, I just thought they would look really cute. But I found this in Home Bargains. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. So I don't know whether to just put this on the back of the door because it is so pretty. And this was like bargain of the century. This was like £3.99, and I just absolutely love the colours of it. You guys know I'm a massive fan of pink, but it's got like purples and pinks and whites, and they're just like all my colours. I just love the greenery on it. Talking of flowers, I did pick up these from Lidl. These were kind of like one of the last bunches of tulips, but do you know what, I probably would have picked this colour anyway, and they are so pretty. I also picked up this little green vase from the charity shop. Not vase, sorry, this is a plant pot. It was £2. It's got a gold rim. We don't really have any gold in the house, but we do have some brass on the new chair. I'm thinking of bringing a little bit more brass into our home, so I thought that would kind of go with that. And I managed to finally get some sage green cushions. So happy to pick these up. So these were from Jisk, and they are just so lovely and soft. I suppose they are a little bit velvety. If you've watched my videos for a while, you may actually know that I struggle to touch velvet. I know that's really odd, but the velvet on that isn't like a thick velvet, so I am able to touch it. So yes, I really like those. So I've got 2 of those, one to go on each settee. I'm kind of going for a little bit more of like a country style, more classic theme. I said this in the charity shop haul. I think since moving out, we went really modern, and I think you like realise suddenly how quickly stuff goes out of date, so I just kind of want to get stuff that's more classic now, and that is part of that. And I do really like green, and it's quite a muted green, so I feel like it's, you can't tell that it's from like this year particularly. I then also got this basket which I thought would look really nice in the living room, and that is that was from Charity Shop. It's kind of like a cool toned wicker, and then it's got like, I want to say beige handles, and it does actually have a functioning lid, and I really like that. I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, but I just really liked it, and I thought it would look nice if there's some like white flowers next to it. I've got so many white flowers in my house. But talking of sage green, I picked up these from the Charity Shop. So the set of 3 was £8. They're a little bit damaged, it looks like they've been in the kids' room, and they were probably a little bit expensive for what they were. But I just really like them. I love the little bunnies on them for Easter, and I thought, well, I'll use them year after year and I'll store them away. To be honest, I'll probably go in my daughter's room when it's not Easter. So really like those. And then scent wise, I thought we'd get some nice scents going on for spring summer. So Lola Bloom very kindly sent me some stuff out. Love the little heart wax melt burner. Thought that was kind of cute for this time of year. They sent me some of these baby cake ones because I've recently had a baby, and yeah, I just thought they would look great. You can see they've got little pink flecks in and they smell amazing. And then as we are decorating for spring slash summer, I thought this one, Sugared Sands, would be really nice. Again, a really beautiful smelling candle. I wanted to add a little bit of colour into the living room, so I also got this pink candle. This was from Home Bargains. It's one of their Wickford & Co. It's in Rose Garden. It was £2.99 for this size, so absolute bargain as always. But you guys will know that my house is pretty much mainly grey, so I have wanted to add some colour in for a while. Obviously sage green is a very safe option, but I thought for spring summer it'd be nice to add some pinks in as well, hence these. And then I found this cute little buddy. I so wish I would have got 2 of these now so I could have one for upstairs, but this was actually from the pound, well, I was gonna say pound shop, but it's from Poundland, and it was £2. And I think he's so cute for £2 that, yeah, I wish I would have got another one. My eldest daughter really likes him, and I was actually planning on having him downstairs, but I did briefly pop him on my filming desk, which is in her room, and he looked very cute. I then do also have some other supplies. So these were supplies actually from my wedding, but you can see that I've got some like hessian and some lace and some really cute ribbon, which I may use on the eucalyptus wreath. Don't know whether I will or not yet. And then I've also got these really kind of like cute bows. I got this from my just scrapbooking collection that I had when I was younger. I've been meaning to pick it back up for ages. I've just really struggled with the time. But yeah, there's so many pretty bows, particularly this one here. I don't know if I'm going to use them yet for anything, but yeah, I thought they might be cute again on the wreath or something, or to kind of like add a little bit of something to some of the decor that I've got. And then I'm not gonna lie, I've totally stole my daughter's bunnies. Wow, I say that each week or sort of like every other week we will tend to swap her toys over, including her soft toys, but because it is that time of year, I just bought 2 of her bunnies down, so I am going to pop them on our chair for her coming back in from nursery. So I did very briefly give the house a quick dust and a hoover yesterday, just ready for putting this stuff out. I can't actually do too much of a deep spring clean, which would be nice. I feel like it's really nice to get the house tidy at this time of year, because at the moment, after having my daughter, I can't do any like heavy lifting or anything for 6 weeks because I did have a C-section, which is a great excuse because it means the hubby has to do like the big hoovering. I mean, I'll do the handheld one, but yeah, the big hoovering he has to do. But yeah, so I just quickly give it like a dust round, just made sure it was like tidy and stuff, ready for decorating.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me.
I then started to organise the dried flowers. You can see I originally put them in the jug, but I wasn't feeling it, so I moved them to the candle jar, and then the white jug ended up on the windowsill with more of the white flowers in, which I thought looked quite fresh and pretty.
The sweetest red cheese I'd ever seen. You stand beside me in every dream. Angel goddess, you cover them all. Say, what can I do to get you to fall for someone like me? I'd say I'm settled and a pretty cold.
So I ended up doing the wreath the following day because I just did not have time to fit it in. I couldn't find any glue to stick the eggs onto the wire, and also I didn't want to use glue to stick the egg onto the wreath, so I just used the wire and wrapped it around the wreath. What I would say is I did find that the eggs kind of wanted to hang downwards, so I had to play around with the wreath and sort of like use the leaves to make sure the eggs hung right.
It's crucial.
I decided to go for coloured bows on the wreath. I just thought that would look more pretty and more spring-like. However, I didn't have long lengths of bows, so I decided to use 2 different colours and tied those together to make the bow.
Go with someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and a pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm.
And then again, because I wanted the bows to be removable, I actually just used some of these sticky dots rather than using like a hot glue gun or super glue.
How to take care of you, but most of all.
And that was it for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I didn't go super duper crazy like some people do. I know the Americans are so good at decorating for Easter, but I hope you enjoyed it and it's giving you a few ideas to decorate your house on a budget. And if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.